Well, we're back. Here we are. Last time we saw 40 West 72nd Street, we had this major demo, and not a lot to speak of, but remove the garbage. You can see that now we're doing all our rough-in for the electrical, have our former foyer here, starting to see the ductwork for the air conditioners up here, running across the room, all the new wiring, of course all of our COVID, staying safe and healthy, postings required, new breaker panel location. And you can see here the powder bath taking shape and the whole central air system between the family room and living room, dining room is on this wall. We haven't broken through the walls yet. We will Wednesday. We're defining where all the rises go. As you can see, our locations of where, in one case, an air handler is going to go here in the master closet. Hey, good morning, Mark.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
And here we have this, what we thought was great to have a bigger master bath with a separate shower, but it's still so tight. All the plumbing rough-in is done, and we think we're going to inspect by Friday. We had to raise the shower floor. Steel beams get in the way all the time, but what can you say? Still questioning their locations from an interior person they're working with instead of me, but it's okay. The lights aren't in the right place, and this is where you can see we have the whole central air coming across. This will be the master bedroom, but in reality, it's really a small compromise given what we have to do for now. So let's go see the other half of the space.